31st of March 2014, and I have just bought number 8. There is my car. I'm now going to give you a video tour. Going through the front door. Where should we go? We'll go right. Okay, so in right we've got the living room. Bit of a dodgy settee and carpet. Pretty nice. Old school fire. And nice set of net curtains there. Okay, if we go through the little entrance now, go into the kitchen. So we're in the kitchen. Bang! Turn right. We've got cupboard under the stairs. So we can keep all the naughty children. Next to it, we have another cupboard, which is possibly going to be a toilet, not sure yet. Moving around, got a lovely blue decor and another old school item, which is the kitchen. We have a partition wall separating the kitchen from what looks to be a prisoner of war dining area. So this wall is going to be knocked through, so we'll have a much better kitchen. Okay, and I'll take you outside quickly. This is some sort of ancient conservatory slash, don't know what it is, area. We've got a nice double glazed door, which is what I like to see. Into the garden, a lovely bit of garden and patio, washing line. And there is the rear view of the house. There we go. And the garage, this is also came with the house. It's in there, it's a bit dark. Oh no, there we go. There's the garage. I've also got a little shed as well. Okay. Let's take you back through the house and up the stairs. Up the stairs. Nice carpet on the stairs, nice white walls. Window at the top of the stairs, not a great view out the back onto some old people's houses. We go left, disgusting coloured bathroom, not entirely sure what colour it is, but it's not exactly great, is it? At least it left some toilet roll and hand wash. And this is the master bedroom. Da-da-da-da. Lovely blue carpet, royal blue, we'll name that. And as you can see, it's pretty much just an empty room, but it's nice and big. Then if we look out, it's a nice view up out onto the Kimmin. Little cupboard here, what's in the cupboard? Bit of hanging space and the heating. Okay, back out onto the landing, nice wooden floors. Into the second bedroom. Again, a dodgy carpet, probably more dodgy than the one downstairs, and some disgusting walls, which you would definitely not want to see if you were hungover. Through, and then we've got the third bedroom, which is a small bedroom, we call it the child's bedroom. So you go through the door, more wallpaper, lovely, and there we go. On the floor, again, nice wooden flooring. And again, a lovely view out across over the Kimmin behind that house. It is 8:30 in the morning on the 18th of July 2014, and we have almost 99% completed the house. So I'm going to show you it all. Okay, so as you come in, we've done magnolia on the walls, glossed the banisters and put a new beige carpet up the stairs. Same flooring as before, and we've put the lampshades on, obviously. This will be quite a big change now as we go into the living room. So as we go into the living room, we've put laminate all over the floor, put up a new skirting board and stained that. New curtains, so as we come in, magnolia on the walls, that's standard. Curtains, and I've taken the fireplace out and we've just wallpapered up the chimney breast instead, and new light fitting as well. Okay, go up the stairs. As you can see, I don't know if that's too bright or not, but we've got new floor length curtains at the top of the stairs. As we turn right, so we've still got the same carpet as the stairs, so if we go straight through, we go right. If you remember, there was a doorway there, that is no longer there. We knocked that through, made a partition wall, so you can go off to the 2 bedrooms separately. So if we go in the smallest bedroom, same carpet, magnolia at the walls, new lampshade, new curtain poles, totally different room, totally manufactured, but totally different to what it was. I think it looks much better. I'll show you outside from this window. So still work needs to be done outside, but the hedge has been trimmed, the grass has been mowed, and we're going to be putting up a new fence. Okay, let's go back round then to the back bedroom. You might remember this was the model room, and it was about 4 different colours. Now we've given it the magnolia and brilliant white treatment, and new curtains, different curtains in every room, and put a radiator in as well, big radiator, and same flowing carpet, and lovely view out across the kitchen. Okay, go through to the master bedroom. Probably the least amount of changes in the master bedroom than any other, because we've kept the carpet, obviously given the walls and the ceiling a bit of a dose, and new lampshade, new curtains, and just spruced up the cupboard a little bit, but it is very much the same. Oh, and I've got a new gate to go on there as well, freshly painted gate. Wait for that to dry. Okay, we're going back down the stairs. Oh, I don't fall. So this is the kitchen. This is probably the biggest change in the whole house. So as we go through the kitchen, totally changed the floor. Got up all that horrible vinyl stuff, put laminate flooring down, changed all of the doors, so it's 2 cupboard doors, changed the back door, put a new radiator in, boxed off that, and let me just shut this door. Brand new kitchen. It's a new cooker, new sink, new blinds, new fan, totally brand new, and it looks much more spacious as well. And in this cupboard, this was just a bit of a storage space, which we have now. So we've got to box off the pipes, but there's a toilet in there. It's been tiled. Those pipes are going to be boxed off, and a little sink, So massive changes in the kitchen, and in this other cupboard, it is just going to be used as storage, as you can see. So a bit of magnolia, light bulb, and that's where all your trip switches are. Okay. And that is your tour revamped.